Okay, guys, this is multiplying binomial with a trinomial using the box method. Okay, again, there's some warm-ups, just binomial times binomial that you guys know. You can practice those. I'm going to go down to number 3 and show you how to do this. If you've already watched the FOIL video with this, great. We are going to get the same answer using the box method. So you can pick between the FOIL method and the box method, whichever one is easier for you. All right. First of all, with the box method, you got to figure out how many terms you have in each set of parentheses. So here we have 2 terms here and 3 terms here. Okay. So I need to make a box with 3 columns going down and 2 rows, all right? Because if you watch the FOIL method video, I have 2 terms and I have 3 terms. If I multiply all of them, I should get 6 terms total at first, okay? Before I can combine like terms and then dwindle it down. But you should have 6 terms if you multiply everything correctly, all right? So count the boxes. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 boxes, all right? So I'm going to take the first set of parentheses, the 6p minus 8. I'm going to put that on the side. So 6p on that row, and then the negative 8 on the bottom row. I'm going to put the 3p squared minus 7p plus 1. I'm going to put that across the top. So 3p squared, negative 7p here, and then a plus 1 there. Okay? And so with the box method, you are just matching up the boxes and multiplying, okay? So in this box, I'm going to multiply the 6p with 3p squared because those are the 2 terms that meet up at that box. So multiply your numbers first. 6 times 3 is 18. And then p times p squared, well, how many p's are there now? There's 3 of them. So it's p to the 3rd, okay? And I'm going to go down the line with the row. All right, so 6p times negative 7p goes here. So negative 7 times 6 is negative 42. And then p times p is p squared. And then 6p times the 1, the plus 1, 6, and then a p. All right, so that's multiplying that one. Now you do the same thing with the bottom row. So negative 8 times 3p squared goes here because that's where they meet. So negative 24 and then p squared because that's how many p's there are. Negative 8 times negative 7p. Do the numbers first. So that's 56 and then a p. And then negative 8 times 1 is negative 8. Can make a better 8. All right. So now I'm going to combine like terms before I write them all out. So if you look, they go diagonally. All right. So I don't have any. Let's see. I'll do this color. Okay. There's no other p to the thirds. So I'm going to write 18p to the 3rd, okay? Now, if I go diagonally here, those should match up, all right? So they're both p squared, so I'm going to multiply them together. I'm sorry, not going to multiply, I'm going to add them together. When you combine like terms, you just add together. So negative 24 minus 42 is negative 68, and then since they're both p squareds, it stays p squared. Okay, and then I should be able to go diagonal again, like that. And those are all p's, all right? So we can add those together. 56 plus 6 is 62. And then since they're both p, it's just a p. And then at the end, your bottom corner, there's no other constants. There's no other numbers without variables. So it's a minus 8 in the back. All right, and there is my final answer. All right, so that's the box method. If you have any questions about it, please let me know.